As you can see, I'm going to introduce the card computer in my hand. I'll start with what it looks like. First of all, he has a 1.14-inch TFT screen. The microphone is on the left, and the ESP32SFN8 controller and the M5Stack S3 microcontroller are on the right. The lower part is a 56-bit standard key keyboard, with an expandable HY 2.0-4P expansion port on the left side of the fuselage. The 5-volt input and output can be controlled through the paddles. On the right side of the fuselage is a speaker and the Type-C port of the microcontroller. There is an IR emitting tube on the right side of the fuselage for IR control interaction, a restart button next to it, and an SD card slot for expanding storage space. There is also a power on button, a menu button. There are several holes on the reverse side of the Cardputer, which are compatible with the expansion of the Lego mouth, which is convenient for us to DIY. The power supply of the card computer has built-in and base power supply. The two batteries are 120 mAh and 1400 mAh respectively. When we get the card computer package, the package will come with a hexagonal screwdriver. We can use a screwdriver to take the base apart and take a look. Open the card computer base, and there is a 1400 mAh lithium battery and two magnets at the bottom. These 2 points are the two holes that power our main control chip. One positive and one negative. Let's take it. Once it is installed, we can turn it on. Next, let's take a look at the native functions of the Cardputer. Press any button to enter the menu. It has several features, first our Wi-Fi, then the voice recorder chat room, infrared emitter, as well as an interactive compilation environment, REPL and Wi-Fi setting timers, keyboard connections and notepads, and applets. Next, I will introduce a few of the more distinctive features of the Cardputer. The first is the audio recorder, which will record and play back our sound in real time. We press the back button to enter the menu and select the chat room. The chat room feature requires the use of two Cardputer. Let's turn on the other Cardputer. After entering the chat room at the same time, you can send messages to each other. Send hello and receive it successfully. The other side sent world and received it as well. We go back to the menu and turn on the timer, which shows how long the card computer has been on. Now to introduce the keyboard connection function, we go to select the Bluetooth connection after the connection is successful, open my notepad, and enter the content. Return to our menu. On this basis, we can also use our imagination to DIY and make a lot of interesting programs. That's all for this video, thanks for watching.